Your favorite K-dramas are back. From epic battles to thrilling comebacks, here are 10 Korean dramas Season 2 releases and you can't miss it. 10. Weak Hero Class 2. Starting strong at number 10, Weak Hero Class 2. Season 1 had us on the edge of our seats with its gritty fight scenes and emotional depth. After leaving viewer on a major cliffhanger in 2022's Weak Hero Class 1, the highly anticipated sequel finally landed on Netflix on April 25. Park Ji-hoon returns as the clever and resilient Yoon Si-yoon, who has transferred to Yoonjang High School following the brutal events of Season 1. There, he finds new allies in Park Hoo-min, Seo Joon-tae and Go Hyeon-tak, but also comes up against fierce foes, including Na Bak-jin and Jeom Sung-ja. Meanwhile, fans are wondering if Season 1's An Soo-ho, played by Choi Hyun-wook, left in a coma, will be making a comeback in the second season. 9. Moving Season 2. In November 2024, it was announced that Moving, Disney's hit K-drama based on Kang Ful's popular webtoon about superpowered teens and their equally gifted parents, will be returning for a second season. The series stars established actors Zo In-sung, Ha Hyo-joo, Yoo Sung-ryong and Cha Tae-hyun alongside rising stars Lee Young-ha, Go Yeon-young and Kim Do-hoon. Although most major storylines were tied up by the end of the first season, several key scenes hinted at the possibility of a Season 2. With Kang Ful returning to pen the script, fans can expect a deeper dive into untold backstories, new powers and even bigger threats. 8. A Shop for Killers Season 2. Lee Dong-wook returns in A Shop for Killers Season 2, and the mystery just keeps getting deeper. Based on the novel by Kang Ji-young, Disney Plus' action-packed thriller follows Jang Ji-eun, played by Kim Hae-joon, as she fights to protect her late uncle Jang Jin-mans, played by Lee Dong-wook, covert weapons shop for assassins from falling into the wrong hands. Packed with stylized action sequences, compelling characters and a layered plot, the drama was a huge hit for Disney Plus. And with lingering questions and plenty of stories left to tell at the end of Season 1, it's no surprise a second season has already been greenlit. 7. Bloodhounds Season 2. Money, fists, and loyalty. Bloodhounds gave us one wild ride. And now, Season 2 is bringing in none other than Rain as the main villain. Taking down ruthless loan sharks in Season 1, the dynamic duo faces an even bigger challenge. In the second season, they must take on back Jang Young-ji-hoon, in his first villain role, the head of an illegal underground boxing league determined to drag Gun-woo and Woo-jin into his dark and dangerous world. 6. All of Us Are Dead, Season 2. Netflix's zombie juggernaut All of Us Are Dead is making a comeback. Filming is set to resume mid-2025, and it's rumored that the virus is evolving. Netflix's screen adaptation of the popular webtoon Now at Our School by Joo Dong-yeon, a second season was announced. It's no surprise, given the show's strong reception and the lingering questions surrounding the Season 1 survivors. Fans are particularly excited to learn about Choi Nam-ra's future and whether it's possible for Yoon Woo-nam and Lee Cheong-san, played by Yoon Chan-young, who both appeared to have met their demise in Season 1, to return in the second season. 5. Extraordinary Attorney Woo, Season 2. Extraordinary Attorney Woo, the K-drama about a brilliant young lawyer with autism spectrum disorder, won the hearts of fans and critics alike. Thanks to its overwhelming success, the production company expressed their eagerness to continue the story of everyone's favorite extraordinary attorney with a second season. And while screenwriter Moon Ji-won has reportedly signed on to write the script for Season 2, prior commitments as well as possible scheduling conflicts with its cast have put the project in limbo. In a recent interview with Park Yoon-bin, whose nuanced performance brought Woo Young-woo to life, the star mentioned that she has yet to receive updates on the project, further raising questions about when or if Season 2 will move forward. 4. The Second Signal. Earlier this month, TVN announced that a second season of Signal, the critically acclaimed time travel crime thriller, is coming in 2026. Reprising their roles for Season 2 are Kim Hae-soo as Cha Soo-hyun, Cho Jin-woong as Lee Jae-ha and Lee Je-hoon as Park Hee-young. Also returning for Season 2 is writer Kim Yoon-hee. In the first season, the three detectives, connected across time by a walkie-talkie, work together to solve cold cases. Fans are eager to revisit the drama but are particularly invested in learning about the fate of Detective Jeha, which was hinted at the end of the first season. 3. Light Shop Season 2. Light Shop is based on a webtoon by Kang Ful, the same creative mind behind Moving, another K-drama hit from Disney+. While there's been no official announcement regarding Season 2, the ending of Season 1 with its reveal of multiple light shops left plenty of room to expand the story. Adding fuel to fan theories is the post-credits scene, which featured characters from Moving in Kang Ful's webtoon timing, hinting at a potential shared universe. Fans may or may not get a second season of Light Shop, but here's hoping that characters from the drama will pop up in Moving or other future Kang Ful projects. The mysterious Light Shop and its strange customers hold so many secrets it'd be a shame if we didn't get more. 2. Trauma Code, Doctors on Call Season 2. Fast-paced, emotional, and full of medical drama, Trauma Code hit all the right notes in Season 1. Netflix's sleeper hit Trauma Code, Doctors on Call, which is based on the web novel Severe Trauma Center, Golden Hour by Dr. Lee Nak-joon, introduced audiences to the brilliant drive-back Kang Hyuk played by Joo Ji-hoon and his equally amazing trauma unit team. Thanks to its global success, coupled with director Lee Do-yoon's and lead star Joo Ji-hoon's eagerness to return, alongside unresolved story arcs and the introduction of compelling new characters like Kim Jae-won's Seo Dong-ju, fans are crossing their fingers for a second season. The chemistry among the trauma team is electric, and we're hoping for even more emotional moments next season. 1. Study Group Season 2. And finally, at number 1 is The Study Group. This high school action drama surprised everyone with its perfect balance of intense fight scenes and emotional storytelling. The action comedy K-drama, based on an ongoing webtoon also called Study Group, follows Yoon Ga-min as he pursues his life goal of achieving academic success amidst intense martial arts fights with school bullies. A second season has yet to be announced, with the webtoon in the ending of Season 1 leave plenty of story and character arcs to explore. What happens to Park Jong-yob? Why did Lee Ha-kyung hand in her resignation letter in the post-credits scene? But it's Ga-min himself who gives the biggest hint when he says, "Our college entrance journey continues." So, which Season 2 are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments. And if you loved this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss your next K-drama obsession. See you in the next video.